Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Bharati and today's video is all about our preparations for the US travel as we are traveling next week. So this entire weekend we have spent in doing some basic medical checkup, shopping, packing. So without wasting any time, let's start. Good morning everyone. We are here in the diagnostic center for our medical checkup. Thank God we are on time and waiting for our turn. Hope we don't have to wait long because there is only one person apart from us waiting here. And Banal is very much curious to know exactly why we are here. So I'm explaining her why we are here and what we have to do. The guy who is wearing white color dress is the patient.
Why they don't have eyes?
Because they're cartoons. You like it?
Yes.
Where is daddy?
Now the head looks like a ball. He is staying here for a long time.
Our medical test is done as we had to do this test with empty stomach, so we didn't had breakfast at home. We are so hungry now and we're searching for food. And here I got it, my favorite South Indian breakfast, idli, sambar, chutney. So let's have it. This is Tulsi Theatre Road, Chaudeshwari Layout, Marathalli, very much well-known place to me because when I came to Bangalore for the first time in 2010, I used to stay nearby PG with my friends. In every evening, we used to come and hang out here. We are going for interviews together. So many memories with this place. Now it's time to do some shopping. I'm searching for some frozen or ready to eat vegetarian food so that until I set up my kitchen in US I can survive, because as a vegetarian it's very much difficult to find out some good options if we are eating out. But I didn't find anything because whatever chapatis or roti I got, the expiry date is before our travel date. So I am not buying anything, but Banali got her favorite ice cream and let's buy it for her.
Ice cream. Why are you eating ice cream? Because I like it.
And that is doing.
Here's my new shoe.
My husband is busy doing shopping, and meanwhile Banali is doing some research on these price tags of the shoes. We have to buy shoes for Banali also, so we are searching for a good shop, but we are not finding out anything. This is the famous brand factory where we used to come when we were staying in Marathalli, but this is looking very different because after the pandemic everybody prefers to shop online. Even we are also coming to this mall after a long time. We didn't find out something good, so we are going back home. I will check online some shoes for Banali because we have lot of work and I have to do my packing also. We quickly finished our lunch and I have started my packing. My best friend who is in US, she told that we can find every single thing in US, but one thing that we cannot get it there is our Indian ethnic wear. So I am putting all my beautiful sarees and lehenga and ethnic kurtis so that I will not miss out. My husband has given me strict instruction that my luggage should not exceed 23 kgs, so I'm trying hard to put minimum things, but I cannot miss my favorite stuffs. Let's see, I think I have already crossed the limit, so something I have to adjust inside Banali's luggage. My packing is almost done and I have to check the weight. Now I have to start packing for Banali. This is Banali's bag, and I put my stuff also inside Banali's bag. These are my kitchen stuff, all sorted, and now it's time to have some snacks. Thank you guys for watching this video.